Hi everybody, this is a very quick unboxing of the Meike 50mm f1.8 lens for Nikon Z Mount. They've been so kind to send me one for review. So the lens is fairly simple, although it's well built. It has a nice optical design, also keeping in mind the very low price, $159 at the time of the video. It has a manual focus ring and AF/MF switch. You get included a lens hood and a rear cap for the lens, and some paper in the back, but nothing more. You get the USB-C port for firmware update and a metal mount for Z mount camera. I will be testing it in the following days on my Nikon Z8. I think in an outdoor shoot with the model, so stay tuned.